Hi guys, today we're making brown stock, the foundation of many dishes. Welcome back to my Back to Basic episode number 2. Today we're diving into a fundamental technique that can transform your cooking, making a classic brown stock with roasted red meat and bones. This isn't just any stock, this is the foundation of rich, flavorful dishes like gravies, soups, and sauces that truly stand out. If you want to elevate your cooking, mastering brown stock is key. Let's break it down. So, what exactly is brown stock? Essentially, it's a stock made by roasting meat and bones to create a deep, complex flavor. This process adds richness and a distinct depth to the liquid, making it ideal for dishes that require bold, savory flavors. The key difference between brown stock and a regular white stock is the roasting step, and that's what we'll focus on today. Now let's talk about the magic that happens when we brown the meat and bones. This step is absolutely crucial because it introduces what we call the Maillard reaction. When we roast the meat and bones at high temperature, we're caramelizing the natural sugars and proteins, which deepens the flavor and give us the beautiful golden color. After the meat has browned, you can add all the aromats like onions with their peels on, carrots. I'm using carrot tops because I don't have celery. Then you can add the thyme, the rosemary. The detailed description will be given below. Once everything is in the pot, bring the stock to a gentle simmer. This is another crucial point. Never boil your stock. Boiling agitates the ingredients, which can cloud the stock and affect the flavor. You want to keep it at a low simmer for several hours, anyway from 4 to 6 hours. During this time, skim off any foam or impurities that rises to the surface. This ensures a clean, clear stock. The longer you simmer, the richer your stock will be, extracting the maximum flavor, gelatin, and nutrients from the bones. Carefully pour it through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into another pot to remove the solids. What you're left with is a rich, beautiful brown stock ready to use or store. You can refrigerate it up to 5 days or freeze it for future use. That's it for today's video on brown stock. If you found this helpful and want to learn more foundational techniques, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the share button.